So it went around the newsroom on Friday. Get ready. It's coming. It's coming any minute, any minute. And then there was a report on the Bloomberg that, in fact, it had been postponed. Why?
Yeah, I think hopefully the parties are really still at the negotiating table and trying to get a negotiated settlement here so that they don't have to go to court. I don't think it's in anybody's best interest for this particular transaction to be to go to court. I think the government, the Department of Justice, does not have a strong case here, number one. And of course, on the other side, AT&T-Time Warner have no interest in going to court and delaying the transaction or actually running the risk of it not being approved. So I think both parties are incented to get some type of negotiated settlement done here so this deal can proceed.
And going to the merits of the case, perhaps, there were reports that the Justice Department was trying to get states to sign on with them on the complaint. And then on Friday, word came out that maybe they weren't so eager to come in with them. I mean, could that be giving the Justice Department second thoughts?
I think it can. I mean, again, I think if, you know, AT&T, when you hear them speak, they feel very, very comfortable in their legal standing here for this particular case, given that it's a vertical transaction, a vertical merger, and because the recent precedent, case precedent, is so strong on their side, most notably the Comcast acquisition of NBC Universal. So it's an unusual tack that the government's taking in terms of really looking for some significant remedies for this transaction. But nevertheless, both parties are kind of have their heels dug in. But again, hopefully, I think most investors are hoping that a transaction, they'll come to a resolution the next day or two.
At the same time, Paul, just having had this experience to some extent myself when Disney bought ABC, for example, the company is consumed with this often. The executives are consumed with it. It's a bandwidth issue. And does this, to some extent, have Time Warner not moving forward as aggressively in their core business because they're so focused on this deal?
That's always the risk. And this has been a transaction that's been ongoing for a year now.